It's a quick relaxation method. So let us relax much more deeply and deeply, much more faster. Just make sure we take 4 to 5 faster breaths. Now stop and wait until you need the breath. Now take 3 to 4, just 3 deep and slow and relaxed breaths. Deeper and longer and slower and relaxed breath. Also feel that all of your body is getting relaxed. Now your forehead is relaxed. Make sure your eyebrows between the eyebrows are relaxed, and make sure your eyes are relaxed, getting relaxed. Chest and stomach are relaxed. Now all the muscles in the body, biceps, triceps, thighs, all the muscles in our body are getting relaxed and relaxed and relaxed and relaxed deeply. Much more deeply they are getting relaxed. With each and every outgoing breath, we are getting much more relaxed. Thousands of times we are getting deeply into our being. Just scan our body parts from top of our head to tip of our toe and make sure every part is relaxed. So top of our head is relaxed, forehead is relaxed, eyebrows are relaxed, eyes are relaxed. Deeply and deeply, much more deeply we are relaxing. Face is relaxed, throat, neck are relaxed, shoulders are relaxed, elbows are relaxed, hands are completely relaxed. The whole body is getting, upper body, chest, abdomen and stomach are getting relaxed and relaxed, deeply relaxed. Upper back, middle back, lower back are getting relaxed. Lower parts of the body, thighs, knees are getting relaxed. Calf muscles are getting relaxed and relaxed and relaxed. And feet are getting relaxed completely. It's like relaxation is giving a smooth and nice massage. And our feet and fingers are relaxed. Now whole body is getting relaxed and relaxed and relaxed. A wave of relaxation from top of our head to the tip of our toe is happening. Completely we are going deeper and deeper and deeper and much more deeper. How much we can go, that much deeper we are going. With each and every second we are getting relaxed and relaxed and relaxed. On the count of 10 to 1 we'll go much more deeply relaxed. 10, 8, completely relaxing, 7, 6, much more deeply, thousands of times relaxation, lakhs of times relaxation, crores of times much more relaxation and relaxation and relaxation. 6, 5, 4, infinitely relaxation, complete relaxation. 2, 1. Now let us compete with our own selves. How much can we relax? We use all of our energy and power, determination power, sankalpa shakti, willpower, ichha shakti, all energies we are using into completely relaxation. Then when we relax much more deeply, then all of our energy we receive and we become the energy. So now, much more relaxation. Much more deeper and deeper and deeper relaxation. Our blood circulation is also getting relaxed and balanced. Heartbeat also getting relaxed and balanced. Completely relaxed and relaxed and relaxed. All the cells are relaxed. Much more deeper. All the respiratory system is completely getting relaxed. Slower and deeper breaths. Relaxed breath. Every cell in our body is getting relaxed, completely relaxed. Every atom in our body, every part of our body, kidneys, lungs, liver is completely getting relaxed. Every system in our body, completely, we are receiving the energy and relaxing and relaxing. The more we relax, the more the energy is coming. If our body is not completely relaxed, then take a deeper and longer and slower breath. If our body is already in a relaxation state, then just continue going much more deeper. With each and every second, we are getting deeper and deeper relaxation. Just make sure the relaxation wave is coming from top of our head, covering the forehead, making sure it's completely forehead is relaxed. Eyes and eyebrows are getting relaxed. Completely we are letting go everything. All our logic and analysis we are keeping aside. Now completely letting go of everything about everyone and every situation is completely. Now focusing on only relaxation. Deeper level. Much more deeper. Now make sure your stomach is relaxed. And now relax and relax and relax much more deeply. How much ever we relax, that much ever we get the benefits. So let us compete ourselves in the relaxation. How can we relax much more than this? Let us try that. Last 4 minutes. Make sure our body is not at all moving, completely relaxing and receiving a lot of energies. We relaxed into such a deeper levels that our body shape and the feeling is completely lost. Feeling of shape and existence is completely, it feels like heavier or lighter and completely like numb or vibrations. Then we go much more deeper and deeper. How much we can go deeply, we'll go much more deeper and deeper. Last 3 minutes. We relax our body and relax our mind and we stay there. This is the Yoga Nidra. Relax our body and with the mind, no other thoughts except for the observation and awareness. We're just being aware and our body is having the complete deep restfulness. Last 2 minutes, much more deeper. All our cells are getting relaxed and having a deep bonding and connection between each and every cell of our body. This art of relaxation gets better every time. So let us make sure we go much more deeper level than the last time. Deeper and deeper and deeper. The best whatever we can do, let us do that best now. That much relaxation. By giving all the things up and letting go everything. Completely deeper and deeper relaxation. Last 1 minute. Now we are affirming everything is happening for the best. We are living in abundance of health and happiness and wealth, and being in service we are living, enjoying our life each and every second. Each and every second we are enjoying the life. Now on the count of 5 to 1 we come back to the normal state, being energetic. 5, 4. We are receiving a lot of light and energy inside of every cell and activation. Awareness is happening. 3, 2, 1. Yes. With a lot of gratitude to the existence. Thank you.